Anthony from West Coast Custom Concrete. We got a couple pumps for sale, and this is an awesome gas motor TA pump, tandem axle. This thing is as clean as you're gonna get. If you already have a concrete pump business and you want to add one, this is an awesome employee pump, or you're just starting out. These pumps, these two pumps I'm gonna show have one owner. So they're completely maintained, they run perfect. Check it out. That's it running. There's a high and a low. You hear the stroke. Then you can slow the pump down. Pump is very simple. You just drop down the reducer, you fill it with water, and you just prime it out. It's just a high and a low right here. These are as basic as they come. That's the low when you're going to slow down the pump, and then that's high. You just heard it right there. And this has one owner, both these pumps. This is as clean a pump as you can get. This pump's going for $28.5, which is a steal in a slow market. They've been sitting in storage for 3 to 4 years. They're no good to me, and they're not going to get used to me because I only pump my own jobs with my other pump. But for a pump, if people who want to start out, or you're a concrete contractor, you have your own pump like this for that price, and when you're slow, you could go pump for other people and make $1,500 a day with this and pump your own jobs, or just be an everyday 6-day-a-week pumper. Bam! Let's show you the diesel. Okay, you guys, so here's the other pump, which I'm super proud to. This is such a rare, unique pump. It's crazy. This is a TA diesel basket pump. The basket means it has a basket in front, and you can carry 500 feet of hose in this baby. It's a Turbo Deutsch diesel, tandem axle, and it's got a 100-gallon water tank. You could take this gooseneck off and put a traditional trailer hitch if you want, but we're at the beach and there's a lot of tight areas, so you could completely jackknife this, but you're not in those kind of areas. You could just use a traditional hitch. So this is a tandem axle TA diesel, 50+ short-an-hour pump. This has got a 100-gallon water tank. We used to pump on the freeways with it where they had no water. There's 100 gallons. You turn the valve on. While you're washing out, you just never turn the pump off. Here's the valve where the water comes out, and you wash out in 20 seconds, 30 seconds. It's got a high-low. It's very simple for employees or whatever, too. It's got, that's pumping low, that's pumping high, fast. Let's see what we got later. Another turnkey pump. This pump's actually water cooled. Every pump I've ever had has been air cooled. This is a water cooled. This is a badass pump. This is a very unique pump. Check out the chrome reducer on it. One owner, cleaner and shit. It's been completely maintained, both pumps. The other pump's 28.5. This pump's 38.5. I was going to go 29 on the other one. 28.5 is fine. This comes with 400 or 500 feet of hose. You can start making $1,500 a day with this baby. I have so many hoses, hooks, reducers, elbows, 90s, whatever you want. Will all come with both of them. There's a lot of extra hose here too that's in really good shape. This will all come with it too. Thank you very much for checking out my two pumps for sale. If you want to start making a couple $100 grand a year, call me and I'll show you how to pump and we'll get it going. Thank you. So thanks for checking out our video. If you're interested in a concrete pump with 300 feet of hose, total turnkey hooks, reducers, clamps, whatever you need. It all comes with this pump, and this pump is maintained, ready to go tomorrow. If you buy it, you can start pumping the next day, or I'll take you out here on a couple jobs and show you if you're not familiar with it, and whatever you need. Just give me a call. West Coast Custom Concrete. Out.